Welcome back to a new video. I'm gonna do what I eat in a day again, but this time I won't make any difficult things or stuff like that. So I'm gonna eat really easy, show you easy things to eat in a day, and I'm gonna make a recipe, obviously. First things first, breakfast. I already made my coffee this time, but I have an advent calendar for breakfast from my muesli. So I'm gonna open that and see what's in there. I try to eat the thing that I opened that day, but yeah, sometimes I'm craving something different. So let's see if it's something that I crave today. So we got a Christmas edition and a jar with an apple grater. It's pretty cool actually. But I'm not gonna eat those. I'm gonna eat this one because I'm craving a hot porridge small, and this one is with apple flavor. So sounds really nice. Okay, so breakfast looks really good. I'm gonna enjoy that, and I'm gonna make another coffee, and I will see you at lunch. So I'm ready to make the recipe, and what I'm going to make today is crispy olives stuffed with mincemeat. So good. I had them in Turkey. It was the first time I had them and I was in love. So I'm going to make them as well and post the recipe soon. So that's what I'm going to make today. After that, I'm going to make my lunch. So the olives are ready. I honestly think they look amazing. I'm telling you guys, this thing is the best thing ever. It's such a good snack. It's really nice, crispy but salty flavor. It's so good. You have to try it. It's the best thing ever. So my lunch is also ready. It turned out to be kind of like a burger. I had some leftover mincemeat, so I put it in the oven, put it on the bun, and now it's kind of like a burger. And I'm going to show you how I make an iced matcha latte, because I never used to like matcha until I did it this way, and now I like it a lot. So I thought maybe I could show you. If you don't like it, you can try it like this and maybe you like it as well. Okay, so what you do is first you're going to fill the glass with water up to here. So like this. And then you're going to take your matcha, put like half a teaspoon. If you don't like matcha, you can add less, but I'm used to its flavor now, so I can add a little bit more. Then you're gonna take your mixer and you're gonna mix it. And you're gonna do this till smooth. And then you add vanilla sugar. You can add quite a lot because it's only sweetener in it. So yeah, you're gonna blend again. And then you're gonna take your oat milk. Fill it with a lot of oat milk. Blend again. Add ice cubes. And a straw, and you're done. It's super easy and it's way better than normal matcha. So yeah, give it a try if you're not a matcha fan. So I'm now gonna enjoy this, and I will see you later. So I've been working from my bed for the past few hours. Love my job that I can do that. And it's now time for dinner. My mom has made some leftovers. We got some pea soup from this weekend. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna eat tonight with my family. And I'm probably gonna have a snack later after that. But that's what I'm gonna eat now. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. What I ate after dinner was a piece of chocolate, and I'm now enjoying my cup of tea with a biscuit. These biscuits are really plain, but really nice if you want to have a cookie with your tea. Definitely recommend it if you want to eat a bit of sugar but still crave your cookie. This is your key. I hope you enjoyed it. This was what I eat in a day. Well, what I ate today actually. See you next time.